Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Flents Combination Douche Enema Kit. The bag is a thicker rubber so the sides do not stick together like the thinner ones do. The bag is thick and durable, the hook a little flimsy, but it does the job. This is a handy little kit that should meet your needs at home, or while traveling. Don't bother with the small one if you really want to do some proper cleaning. You get the biggest bang for your tiny bucks with this one. Everything you can do with a water bottle is in it. The hose seems to be made of less sturdy material than the old one, but strong enough to hold up fine. Bottom line, no pun intended, the units works. A great price, even though some parts were missing on the first go round. Besides holding hot water, or ice water for a sprain, or soothing relief, it comes with all the attachment for men and women to enjoy. Such a money saver. And there are so many DIY mixtures you can make that are better for your body than store-bought. Leaks a little, works well. Tubing could be a little better, flattens out where the clamp is after time. Great for warming up a cold bed in the freezing winter in a drafty cabin. It is what this type of product has always been, a great way to irrigate a woman's organs, or the hind parts. It can come packaged with kinks in it, so be sure when storing to bend like you would a garden hose, even going so far as to put in an open to prevent bacteria. Ziploc baggie, or some such storage medium, does the job. Keep the pieces cleaned, and this product should last you for a good while. The other weakness is the top of the bag that attaches to the pipe holder. It holds enough liquid, it is easy to clean, and it is easy enough to deal with in a hurry. It works well, except for one problem. The enema end won't stay affixed to the holder. Without the washer, the end won't stay on the holder, and leaks, making a mess. Water in the hose, of course, cools at a much faster rate, so be aware of that. Other than the leak where the adapter screws in, no other leaks have been noticed so far. Have had no problems with leaks, and when shut to flow off it stays shut off. Wish the instruction manual was a little more verbose on a couple of things, but overall it is okay. Overall, if need one of these in a hurry, and want a cheaper price, then go for this, as it seems to do the job very well right now. Not a fan of the way hose attaches to bag, does hold 80 at least 2 quarts. That said, it is with so many things these days, it's not as good a product as the older version. Perhaps this is a safety mechanism lest anybody squeeze water at too high a pressure into the body cavity. It was a hard plastic with tubes and weird stuff, so that went in garbage immediately. It came in plastic box, safely wrapped, and excited, if that possible, to be excited about this low to have found a replacement. The bag works well enough, and is of good quality, but the hose tends to kink, thereby blocking fluids from descending. The only problem with it is that it doesn't clean itself, or prevent a burglary. There is no reason why this product wouldn't last someone a very, very long time. There is a lip on the tip, as you can see in the image. It prevents it from going into the bulb too far. Things happen, and it is not the end of the world if stuff gets sucked back up into the bulb. Then release some of it onto the sink near the drain to see if there is that foaming action from the peroxide. Great when a little help is needed for hard matter release, and there is no time for a full-fledged enema. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.